Welcome back to the channel, YouTubians. Paddock Card Scale Dreams. First off, I just want to thank all my subscribers for the support in the last couple of videos. Really appreciate the views, likes, comments. It's really appreciated. So this video, as you can see, it's my entry into Jason at KRD Klein Race Car Design. He's hosting a drag and drive group build. I don't know much about this subject, so I'm going to have to do a little bit of research. But basically, you're driving from event to event in your car or whatever it is, your vehicle, your drag vehicle, and you're hauling all your stuff behind you in a trailer or if you go watch Jason's intro video that he did, there's a bunch of options for carrying your stuff to each event that you could possibly do, like a roof rack or just one of those platform that goes into your receiver or whatever, or a utility trailer. So the wife has been wanting me to build this kit for a while. She kind of, I asked her, how do you want me to paint it? How do you want me to build it? And all she said was the color that she wanted. So I'm not going to reveal that color quite yet, but this is the kit I'm going to use. She loves Novas. I'm going to build this for her and enter it into the group build. So my plan for this is a big engine. I might mini tub the rear end. I don't know what kind of roll cage this has in it. I haven't really looked in this kit a whole lot. You know, when you buy a kit, you open it up and you have a quick look. So other than that, I haven't looked in this kit in quite a while since I bought it. But I know there is some cool racing stuff in here already. So either I might just go with what it's got in the box. We'll see. But definitely want to squeeze some bigger tires in there. I think that would be really cool. I've got an engine kind of all picked out. I'll get you guys, we'll turn you around. We'll have a look at that in a minute. But in terms of the trailer, I was thinking about doing a roof rack. I really like the roof. Some of the pictures I've seen of these drag and drive cars with the roof racks and the big tires on top just looks so cool driving from event to event. I probably won't do that, but because I do have this, the 68 Coronet kit, the MPC, and this one has a trailer in it here, and it's got toolbox. I think there's a couple other things to go with it, like a jack, I think. Let me see here. Yeah, there's a jack, there's a fuel can, toolboxes. And there is a trailer hitch for the car. I don't know if I'll use that particular one. I might modify it a little bit to make it a little bit smaller because it's quite big. When I did the box opening, it was quite big, so I may modify that a little bit to make it look a little more sleek. So yeah, I guess we just need to kind of look at the engine. So this is the engine I'm going to use, the 572 with stacks. I don't have any really like drag engines. I know there's some, this comes with a small block 350. So I don't really, I'd like to go big block on this. So this is, yeah, I won't turn you around. We'll just have a look at it real quick. So this is the engine. I'm sure you've all seen these before. They're pretty nice, from Iceman Collections. So a real simple kit. Transmission is here. It's an automatic, so we'll have to make some sort of shifter for it. So yeah, I think that'll look pretty sweet in there, and I think I'll end up cutting out the inner fenders. Yeah, we'll just see. I'll go through it and see how that works out, just in terms of the suspension and stuff. I'm not sure how that. I don't think. No, they don't. Excuse me. So, looking forward to this build. Thank you to Jason for hosting this group build. I really like this idea. I don't know if I'll get it done, but it's almost a year's time, so my track record with group builds lately hasn't been very good. So before I get going on this one, I do have a couple builds to finish off. So once I get those finished, I'm going to get going on this one. Really looking forward to learning a few things, just in terms of the drag and drive cars. I don't know what kind of class it is, or if I'll even be able to build what the class is. So like I said, I gotta do some research. So I'll do that, and then once I get going on this, I'll have a better idea of where I'm gonna go with this, exactly where I'm gonna go with this build. So yeah, thanks a lot for checking out the video. I really appreciate it. And again, thank you to Jason. Looking forward to this one. So yeah, thanks for checking it out. Talk to you later. Pat out, model on.
Thank you. Thank you very much.